Did you know you can make a great money with photos that you have on your phone? Do you want to find out how? Just keep watching. You can actually make a great money selling your photos online, uploading and selling your photos online, thanks to that one great website that I'm just about to show you. But before I do it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about money making and different side hustling ideas. So, are you ready for it? Let's get started. So, we will go to a website called foap.com, foap.com, and we have a section here for creators where you can sell your content and activate missions. This app basically works on many devices, on Androids as well. And if we look at the market, so we have a market here, and you see over 40 million creative photos for commercial use. Who doesn't need photos at the moment? Nearly every business wants to have lovely photos on their websites. So where they go to websites where they can buy those photos, and this website really offers a great choice of photos, and they pay you very good money as well, because when we have a look, if you want to become a creator and sell your content, then you will see that they pay you 50% of the price, 50% for the website and 50% for you. I'm sure I'm sure the website have their expenses as well, probably pays for the advertising, which is not cheap, and they have different spendings, they have different expenses related to the website promotion. So I would say it is very fair to pay someone 50% of the commission from the sale. All what you have to do only here is to upload your photos, and that is it. Not a big deal. You can do it straight away from your phone. First, download the application, because I'm on the desktop, I can't download the application, but basically you can download it, let's say for your Android, set up the application and then upload your photos on the application, and that's it, and wait for the sales. Of course, you don't know which photos will go viral and how many will go viral, but let's have a look at some examples here. Let's have a look on the market, and as you see, we have lovely pictures, different photos, and I really like those boats, the green boats. So I will click here, and you see that picture costs $10. So if someone buys the picture, I will get $5 from the purchase. And if you have a look below, we have over 5,689 user ratings. They are ratings, and as we know, not every user leaves feedback. So, taking into consideration that, I would say the sales number only of that one photo is much higher. But if we just go ahead and calculate if we just go ahead and calculate if we just go ahead and consider that 5,600 as the number of sales, which I think myself the sales number is much higher, we will see how much roughly that person earned just on one photo. So we have number of ratings 5,689 multiply $5, yeah, because we get half of it, so $5. So only on that one photo this creator earned $28,445. Of course, that photo probably is on photo from a couple of years, because as we see it was shot in 2016, so I would say this photo might be 4.5 years old. So if we divide that number 28,000 divided by 4.5 years at the moment, that comes out as over 7,000 per year only selling that one photo. So if we want to find out how much it is per month, let's divide it by 12. So now we see, as you see, we can make over $500 only on one photo. And if we look at that photographer, this is the name, we can see that she's got, look at the number of photos, an incredible amount of photos. We see 14 pages, when roughly there are 40 pictures on each page, 18 pages. So if someone is a photographer or loves photos and have loads of them, then wow, 22 pages and there is still more photos. So that one person, imagine what a massive collection of photos she has. 26 pages. I'm not going any further. I would say the best-selling photos are on page 1. I would say her best photos are on page 1, and then the other ones, let's have a look here how much the ratings, it's 54 user ratings. So how much roughly she would get on this one? This one, it doesn't say when it was uploaded, but we can, let's say 5 multiply 54. This person made €270 on this one photo. Probably, it might be 2-year-old. It doesn't say exactly, I think, when it was shot, but definitely you see those blue boats come up here again. Let's have a look. You see this one has only 20 users rating. So it's so important sometimes the angle, because the boats are shot from a different angle on the other photo, and look how viral the other photo went. So this one was shot in 2014. So it's probably, it all depends how viral your photo goes. But she's still making money on all those photos. So let's say if she has, if only that one photo is making her so much money, let's say over $500 per month, and the rest of her photos roughly make her 270 or even 200. So let's say she makes 200, she makes 200 a month per each photo, and she has around 40 photos on every page, and there are 26 pages that I've seen so far, so I'm not going any further. I just calculate 26 pages, multiply 26 pages, so she has over 1,000 of photos in her collection. And if the rest of the photos, that 1,000 photos, make her €200, she's already done that number on the rest of the photos. That might be in the space of couple of years, but still, you know, even if she's done it that amount in 5 years time, divided by 5, so let's see how much roughly, you know, if she's there on FOB for the last 5 years, how much roughly that would be per year. So if we divide that number by 5, we will see she made 41,000 passive income. She uploads those photos once and that's it. So 41,000 if only, you know, she is making probably minimum on the rest of the photos. But I'm really curious again, and I want to have a look on the first page how many views other photos are getting. You see 138 users. So if only that one Blue Boats photo went viral and the rest is just getting ordinary amount of views, I would say she's still making very good income, passive income on FOB.com. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button to help grow this channel. Other people can find this channel and find some solutions for themselves. If you really are thinking about something serious to start making money online, I highly recommend turn your hobby or something that you love into very lucrative business. It's called affiliate marketing, and if you want to know how to do it the right way and learn from the best, in the description box there are a few links to the best affiliate programs and great free blueprint where you find 7 steps to achieve success as an affiliate marketer. I strongly recommend you to click the links, and if you go ahead and decide to make your career as an affiliate marketer, you can count on me and I will be available for you and help you grow and develop your skills in the first 3 months, which I know are always so important for any new entrepreneur starting his own business, to have some guidance, to have the mentor to help get off. He will be certain in what he's doing. So I strongly recommend you to check the links below, and this is something what can turn into a great income source for many years. I hope you like all what you've seen in this video and see you next time. Bye!